Hi, welcome friends, welcome to Raintech POS billing software. Today in this video tutorial we are going to introduce our Raintech POS billing software. If you have some new startup or if you want to start some new business like garments or retail or whatever the retail business we are going to start, how should we can implement the barcoding system, billing system, computer billing system? There is a printer, scanner, everything. How we can implement this one? And the speciality is that if some people, for example, they have very little knowledge in computer, any basic, less than basic knowledge, those peoples also they can the Raintech POS billing software they can use very easily because the interface is made such a simple way, for to use for normal people. Yani, for example, we are working or somewhere abroad or somewhere, and the business is running in with our parents. They are aged, and they don't have very better knowledge in a computer or billing system. They can also run very easily this Raintech POS billing software because it is that much user friendly, the interface. I will show you the interface. You can see it is, and I will explain to you how they can add product, how they can sell the product, when they can coming the new purchase, how they can add purchase. Everything I will show you. Now you can see the interface. It is beautiful. Yani, here in the left side, you can see over here there is the products, and you can say do the sales and all in the left side, and the purchase also you can do in the left side. In the right side you will get all the reporting systems in the right side, and the top also there is so many informations is there. You can see over here, and here in this software there is a big speciality is that in this Raintech POS software there is a network sharing system is there. This is completely an offline software. It will work in your PC only, in your computer only. You can add multiple computer as well. If you have 3-4 counter, you can add, or single counter, no problem. And there will be one master PC. It will work, through network cable system. And whenever need, for example, the owner is sitting somewhere else. Owner is sitting somewhere, for example, abroad. They can see the reports through online. That facility is there in the Raintech POS billing software. Because a lot of our customers, they are working in abroad, like Dubai or Qatar or somewhere, or Kuwait. They are working abroad. And the business, for example, supermarket or garment shop is running in India. And they want to see the reports. How much sales we have done today, what is the stock currently, what is the value of our stock. Yani overall, for example, we are purchasing so many things, and we can see the value of stock, how much value of money is there in our stock. These old report systems you can see by sitting abroad, and the people who is sitting in there in India, and they are doing the sales or something, they can do it very simply. I will show you very small 2-3 steps how we can do the purchase. First of all, any product is coming, we need to do the purchase. Here in the left side, you can see over here there is a purchase entry. You can see over there. You can click on the purchase entry, and here you need to select any supplier, any supplier. You can select over there. Any supplier you can select over there, and like that. And any product you can see over here in the product name. Here you can type as you wish. Some billing software you need to upload the product first, then only that product only you can purchase. But here in this Raintech POS billing software, directly you can type whatever it is. For example, different bills are coming, different invoices are coming. Normal people, they can do it with 2-3 steps. Like here, just you type the product name. For example, kurta, Polo brand kurta. Okay, I just type it over here. Polo brand kurta. See, you can see over here, and you can put just click enter button here, and you can put, where, if you have any size or something is there, you can put it 42 size or something like that. 42. I just put the size over here. I will zoom it. See, I just put the size. If you have any color, you can mention over here, black color. Sorry. And any wear, ladies wear, men's wear, whatever you need to, you can mention over here. Women's. Women's, where we can mention over here. Quantity, for example, how many pieces it is coming. For example, 10 pieces that came, and pieces, the unit you can mention over here. And you can mention the what price you are going to sell it. You can mention over here. For example, you are going to sell it for 400 rupees. And the price what you purchase, that you can mention over here. For example, you are purchasing on 200 rupees. Example. See, like that. And see, just click on add button. Just click on add button. If you have one more product, it's came like, t-shirt. So you can mention over here t-shirt. T-shirts. And click on enter. And here it is menswear. Menswear, and the color you can mention over here. Like the second product I am adding over here. For example, it is black color. And the size already I mentioned over here. Okay, just retail price you can mention over here. In the retail price point. What price you are going to sell the product. Like 500 rupees. And the purchase price you can mention in the left side here. What price you are going to purchase it, like 200 rupees I am purchasing. If any tax information is there you want to add, you can add it. There is optional, you can add or not add, there is no problem. You can just click on add button here over there. There is an add button is there. And here you can just add, I just add 2 products only. And here you can copy the purchase entry number also in the top. So that in order to create the barcode, it will be very helpful for you. Just to copy this, the purchase entry number, copy, and just click on save. So this product is already saved and we already purchased this product. Very simple. That much simple is purchase entry, sir. And here you go, in the right side, you can see over here barcode. Click on the barcode. And you will see a lot of products you will see over there. Just paste your purchase entry over here. So I paste where you can see over here. Here I put paste the purchase entry, the number. So automatically that particular product what you purchase, it will display over the bottom side. This is the thing, And here I click on barcode by 2 inch. Here the barcode already generated, sir. Very simple way you can generate the barcode for your product. It is so easy. And if you click on next button over here, you can see all the barcodes in the top. You can see all the barcode, kurta, see t-shirts. How many pieces you purchase, that much quantity of barcode you can create. If you want to create small quantity, you can click and edit this also as well. The quantity you can click and edit as well. There is no issues. So you can print your barcode through your barcode printer and you can fix this barcode to your products and you can showcase it. So when your customer is coming, for example, this barcode number 3360036. When your customer is coming, just to go on POS speed button. Here you can see on the left side you can see over there. Click on POS speed. And here you can scan. If you have barcode scanner, just you can scan it automatically. That product will come over there. Otherwise, just you can paste that barcode number over here and put enter. So automatically that product will come, and you can just go for save and print. That simple it is. Save and print button is there. So the bill will come automatically outside. Just click on that like that. That much simple is purchase and sales in Raindeck POS billing software. Now you tell me, sir, how your parents or your normal people they can use this software in such a nice manner, as well as Raindeck team, our dedicated customer care team. They will connect you through AnyDesk and TeamViewer. They will train you. They will train your people. How to use this software A to Z. There are so many tons of features are there. There are so many reporting systems are there. There is a profit and loss analysis report is now we implemented over here. You can check the profit and loss report as well. All the expenses, everything will come. What is our net to profit? Everything will come over here right now. What is our net to profit? So all, by cash sale, how much it is there. All such and such reports you can see over here. This is not only a billing software, it is having all the accounting features, like for example, if you have a credit facility, if you are doing credit to your suppliers, credit to your customers, that everything you can manage in this Reindeck POS billing software. And each person, how much credit they have taken, everything you will get. And total some people, for example, and some number of people, how much total credit it is gone outside, that features is there. The privilege card facility is there, SMS facility is there, and coupon code facility is there. This is all very attractive marketing tools for you for your firms. Not only the accounting software, there is a marketing facility also is there. Sorry. In Reindeck POS billing software. So it is very, very comfortable, and there is, as I told you before, there is online reporting system also there in Reindeck POS billing software. If somebody is sitting outside the country or some far away, they can see all the reports from Reindeck POS billing software. This facility also we have implemented. That is optional. If you can add or you cannot add, that optional. That facility also we have implemented in Reindeck POS billing software. And the basic main thing is that our customer care support, as I told you in my last video also, I have made my office video. They will give you proper customer care support for your people. They also I noticed since my 3-4 years journey in this software field and software service field, I noticed that Reindeck POS billing software, once we installed and explained to the some people or some customers, they will get understand within 5 minutes. This is guaranteed. If you are asking for demo from anywhere, you can ask for demo. Our customer care will connect you through AnyDesk or TeamViewer. They will install you demo. Within maximum 5 minutes, you can understand. You can work on Reindeck POS billing software within 5 minutes. Anybody can learn it. Like how we spend 5 minutes with this software, that same way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.